Okay, so got an Audi A1 blower motor, only works on full power. So what we need is have to switch up. We need the replacement part. This is a 2012 one. Actually had the wrong part the other day. We've now got the new part and about £8. And we need a cup of tea. We'll soon have it back together. Okay, so this is Audi A1 and the blower motor resistor's gone on it. The fan speed only works on number 4, doesn't work any less. It's a 2012 plate. The resistor is that one there, and it's positioned. You've got to take the glove box out. So I've got the glove box sat there on the passenger seat. That's held in by screws here, here, here. There's one round the side here. There's numerous ones underneath there. And a couple at the back, going there and there. And you have to bend that bracket there forward a little bit so you can get your hand in the back of there. And it's in there, pointing down. It's a bit of a pig to get at. So you can get in there, unclip the wire in, pull it out the top, wingle it round the corner. And when we get a new one, we shall angle it back in again and push that back in line with this again. I ordered one on Amazon and I thought that was the one. I've ordered the wrong one, never mind. I'll order the right one and I'll have it back in no time. Okay, we're all back together, working on number 4. Still blowing air on number 2. It's my car, by the way. It's got nothing to do with me. Hopefully that's that. So there's the old one, and there's a new one up there. See if I can get it to focus on it a bit better. Doesn't focus on it very well, it's up there. So all we need to do now is got this bracket and this bracket. We had to bend this one to get my hand in, so we'll just give it a bend back so it's level with that bracket. Take the glove box again and then refit the glove box. So that's the old one that came out. Looks a bit corroded and everything. Put the new one in. Oh, low speed blow. Just need to put the glove box and everything back in. I'm sorted.